All right, man. I got one wing done tonight, and that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to go upstairs and get ready to hit the hay. Great build, wings, no problem whatsoever. This is a quick little demo. Here's a flap. That's half flaps. That's full flaps. Aileron and retract. You can tell I did go ahead and paint the inside of those wheelbase, and you know, just to make it look a little bit easier, but that's pretty much it. Retracts are I think going to work great. I want to show you how much space is. That's how much space I got left inside the wheelbase, which, you know, now that I look at it, it's not that bad. And I will probably just leave it that way. I know these wheels will work fine. I've used them on other things at our field, so I'm not really worried about it. But anyway, that's it for one wing. One more down, and that'll be it. So hope you like the videos. Let me know what you think. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.